Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Today it's very early. It's 6:13. You see the helmet, and it can only mean one thing. We're going to the Nürburgring. So I'm prepping my stuff now, getting my gloves, getting helmet, drinks, everything. And then we are gonna go get the car aligned, and then we are gonna go to the Nürburgring. There have been some changes to the car. Wait, I'm gonna show you. If we open the car up, let me see. Can you see it? A little bit. So we installed the roll cage, and also the passenger seat Recaro. On top of that, we also did the lower control arms with tougher bushings. So that's why it needs to get aligned. Other than that, it's still the same it was the last video, but now we're gonna try it on the Nürburgring, see if we can improve time. Probably because I didn't even drive after I did the bucket seats, the roll cage, steering wheel, so that has to shave off some time. But yeah, we're gonna find out today. It's a Monday, so it's only TF in the evening. So during the day we're just gonna go around the Nürburgring, enjoy some things, film, see what's going on in the midday. Maybe it's a track day or something. Last time I went there was a Porsche track day in the midday, so that was fun. Yeah, for now I'm gonna pack my things, drink my coffee and head out. So it's now, let's see the time, 9:31. So we got the car aligned. The camber is a bit off in the front, but the rear is perfect. So we got 1 degree in difference between left and right, so I still need to fix that, but for now it's okay. We're at the gas station. I bought some drinks. I think this is the last stop we are gonna do, and then we are just gonna go straight onto the Nürburgring. So we got Simon with the white E36, and we're just gonna have a fun day. And next stop is probably at the Nürburgring, so I'll see you guys there. So we're here, and of course it's raining. Classic Nürburgring weather. So right now we are just gonna see what we are gonna do. Maybe the sim racing, a cafe, or just check out some shops in the center. But when they're at TF tonight, it's probably gonna be dry. So, and even if it's not dry, we're just gonna go out in the rain instead. But yeah, I don't see any action on track, so that's a bummer. Would love to see some cars on track, but yeah. I'll see you guys where we are going, I don't know. So Simon is leaving for the first lap now. I'm gonna wait here and film him come by, and then we are gonna swap. So right now I'm gonna go to the track and see what's flying by. And next time you'll see me is gonna be on track, so enjoy. So it's the end of TF. As you can see, it's pretty much empty. We did 2 laps Nordschleife, 1 GP track. So here are the cars. They survived. Everything was fine. Brakes fine. Temperature was fine. So it was a fun day. I hope you guys enjoyed the onboard footage. And let's call it a day. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.